this video, I'll show you how to animate photos with Parallax in Premiere Pro. Set the duration of your clip to about 7 seconds. Then go over to Effect Controls and increase the scale of your photo to 130. Now duplicate your clip by holding out and clicking and dragging above. With the top clip highlighted, go over to Effect Controls and select the Pen tool under Opacity. Begin drawing an outline around the subject that you want to isolate and continue going around until you reach the original point. Now go over to Effect Controls and change the Mask Feather to 80 and Mask Expansion to 20. Click the stopwatch icon for scale. Then move your timeline slider to the end of the clip and change the value to 150. Move your timeline slider back to the beginning and highlight the bottom clip. Then go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for scale. Now move your timeline slider to the end of the clip and change the value to 100. That's how you create a beautiful parallax effect that gives depth to your still photos in Premiere Pro.